Hello, and welcome to the Sunrise instructional video. In the kit, you will find a Sunrise sensor, a QR code, 5 small double-sided adhesives, 5 larger single-sided adhesives, a self-addressed stamped envelope to return the sensor, and a quick start guide. There are 7 easy steps to complete your Sunrise sleep test. The first 3 steps can be done anytime before going to bed. Steps 4 to 6 must be completed right before you begin your sleep test, and Step 7 is done right after you finish your sleep test. In order to use the Sunrise app and connect the sensor, you will need access to the Internet with Wi-Fi or mobile cellular network such as 3G or greater. Step 1. Download the app. To download the Sunrise app, go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Type into the search bar sunrise.sleep and select the app corresponding to the Sunrise logo titled sunrise.sleep. Tap Install. In a few minutes, the free app will be installed on your phone. Click Open. The app must have access to the camera, notifications, Bluetooth, and to the locations, sometimes called position, of your phone. If the app does not ask for it, go to the settings of the Sunrise app to activate these features. Please make sure that the airplane mode is turned off. You are now ready to connect the sensor. Click Get Started. After passing a few introductory screens, you will arrive here. Click I have a sensor, which will activate your camera. Point your phone at the QR code found inside the packaging to connect the sensor with the app. If requested by your practitioner, you may have to confirm your account with a PIN code and enter the 4-digit code given to you. Then press the Next Step button to confirm. Step 3. Answer the questionnaire. Next, enter your physical characteristics. Then, if requested by your practitioner, you will need to answer a few questions about your sleep. Step 4. Apply the sensor on your chin. The next step is just before sleeping. You will need to turn on the sensor's power and place the sensor on your chin. To ensure a good sleep test, the sensor must be in direct contact with your skin. If you have facial hair under your lip, you will need to shave it off. Push the plus button to turn the sensor's power on. You will see a green light flashing 3 times, and then a constant red light from the LED on the back of the sensor. Next, apply a small double-sided adhesive to the skin-facing side of the sensor. Peel off the adhesive by pulling the red tab. Center and place the small adhesive on the side of the sensor without the plus. Peel off the white protective strip by pulling the white tab while holding the small adhesive on the sensor. Place the sensor horizontally in the middle of your chin. Step 5. Place the larger adhesive over the sensor. To maintain good contact between the sensor and your skin, you will need to place the larger single-sided adhesive over the sensor. It's recommended to use a mirror during this step. First, pull back the protective tab to peel off the adhesive. Center the larger adhesive over the sensor and gently apply it on your skin without stretching the adhesive. Remove the 2 white protective tabs by pulling from the center. Then, gently press the adhesive over the sensor and skin. Step 6. Start recording before you begin your sleep. After applying the larger adhesive, you may be asked for additional information before you begin your sleep test. Please check that all conditions are met. If all checkboxes are checked in white, you are ready to start your sleep test. Click Start Recording and go to sleep. Please note, your phone does not need to be at or near your bedside during the recording. Step 7. Stop recording when you have finished sleeping. When you have finished sleeping, pick up your phone and click the Stop button on the app to finish the recording of your sleep test. Then confirm. The sleep test is now finished and you can remove the sensor from your chin. Press the plus button on the sensor to begin the data transfer. The phone will need access to Bluetooth and the Internet with Wi-Fi or mobile cellular networks such as 3G or greater. When the connection is established, click Continue to begin the data transfer process. Please keep the app open and the sensor near the phone until the data transfer is completed. The sensor will power off automatically at the end of the process. You will then be asked a few questions about your sleep test. You can also leave a comment for your practitioner. Please wait until your sleep test is fully transferred for analysis. If you've been instructed to do a second or third sleep test, please remove and discard the used adhesives and store the sensor in its packaging until your next sleep test. Once you have completed the required number of sleep tests, you can recycle the sensor by mailing it in the stamped self-addressed envelope. Your sleep test results should be available for your practitioner's review within an hour. If you have a question, please contact Sunrise at support@hellosunrise.com. The content of this video is not intended to be a substitute of the instructions for use provided with the Sunrise product.